The Lopsided Barge is a talk I do about my ancestors, and it's a talk that really brings my ancestors to life. Edward Parker was born in 1848, close to Ely, and I talk about the records that discovered him, that I used to discover him, and I also talk about what's behind the records, what is revealed about Edward and his family by looking deeper than just the records. One important website that links to the title of the talk, The Lopsided Barge, is the Maritime History Archive, and this is a fabulous resource if you've got maritime ancestors. Have a look at the website, search for it on the internet, and discover more about your seafaring ancestors, the boats they sailed, and more about their lives. It really is a great website. If you want to know more about the Lopsided Barge, then book me for a talk. You can find details of my talk on my website. A link is coming up at the top of your screen now. My talks include lots of information, questions and answers, links to my free monthly newsletter where I send you more tips and techniques for researching your family history. My talks usually include a fun quiz with a prize, a fabulous prize, plus much more. So have a look at my website, link into my newsletter, which is on the contact part of the website to stay in touch. And if you've got seafaring ancestors, don't forget to have a look at that website I mentioned. What stories might your ancestors tell?